Well, hello, it's me again. So today in this video I'll be making pasta using only things that are available at my house right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a challenge and I'm thinking how I'm gonna pull this challenge off, but I'll do it for you guys. So stay tuned and watch me make pasta with the things that's available at home. And it's not gonna be a packet pasta or something. I'm gonna make my own pasta. You heard me right, I'm gonna make my own pasta. So stay tuned for that and enjoy the video. So I told you that I'll use only things that are available at my home. So these are the things that I'll be using. I'll be using flour, approximately 400 grams, 4 eggs, 5 tomatoes, plus tomato chili sweet and spicy sauce, and some salt. So these are only the things that I'll be using. So let's make it. So as you guys can see, I have laid my flour and we'll make a hole right there, like this, and 3 pinches of salt just to season it. You need salt. I mean, we need salt in all kind of dishes, right? I'll go a little overboard because I'm a bit salty. You can go on your own preferences. Crack the 4 eggs on the middle. So we will use a fork and we'll just do it gently. Oh my god, that's spilling. I know. I don't know what to do now. Oh my god. Oh god. Then this is what happens when you try to make pasta at home. I'll make it anyway, don't worry. So we will have to mess this up and we will need this like this. So yeah, our tomato pastes are done. Now I will just cook this paste and the tomato and chili sauce at the same time to make an epic homemade pasta sauce. So let's do this. So we'll take a clean saucepan and place it on a high flame stove and let it heat for just a bit, and we'll place this inside that. But first let all the water evaporate, then we'll add some oil and then add some tomato paste and then add some sauce inside there. Come on, you know what I'm saying. Veg oil, vegetable oil, just about that much. Yeah. Now it's starting to heat already. So yeah, the lens was covered on the steam, so I had to just get rid of that steam. So that's how you cook a perfect sauce. I don't know how to cook, but I don't know, so that's why I'm trying to improvise that. So our sauce is gonna be of tomato paste, the sweet and spicy tomato sauce, and some onions. So let's cook some chopped onions on another pan and pour it inside there. You wanna see my chopping skills, everyone. So I do like this and cut. And from the top, from the bottom, almost all the way through, and up and down motion, guys. It's just this easy to cut onions, and you'll get some fine pieces of onions. Come on. You'll just have to caramelize it, so I'm speeding it up because it's gonna take a heck of a time. Just poured all the onions in here and it's already mixed. I don't have a cameraman, so yeah, I didn't show you that clip. So once it's start bubbling, you'll just have to add sauce and a half of this sauce. So yeah, that's how you make the sauce, and put it on a high flame and let it simmer. So I don't know how to roll the dough, so my mother is helping. She is expert in making tortilla, that is called roti in Nepali, so she can do it, come on. So it's almost done, and the cutting part is mine, so we'll switch places. So I'll see you at the other side. So my mother made this, and my job is to cut it, so a little bit more lengthier, and we'll cut it on 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and this 4. Now we'll just roll it on a bowl. And it's done! Knife and cut. Take a pinch of flour again and sprinkle. And then so the pasta is already done, and here is a little my very own montage. I don't know how it will be, but enjoy. Now this part seems a bit big, then this too, this all. Now this part seems a bit bigger than this all. That's because what we will do is we are going to mix it like this. We're going to lift it up and just let the gravity do the work, and we'll just scramble it like a nest, and that's how it's done. And now we'll do it with every one of those. So we'll have to boil this, so see you then. So after the water is fully boiled, you'll pour a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick, and add some salt, maybe 1 teaspoon, no, 1.5 teaspoons, so that's enough. And after that you'll need a strainer like this, and you'll put your pasta and dip it like this, and leave it for about 2 minutes, 90 seconds to 2 minutes, and let it rest like that. Just strain, and that's it. Now gently place it right there and leave it to rest for at least 1 minute. So for the plating, we have used the sauce that we cooked previously, and this is how it looks like. It's gonna be one hell of a taste, guys, because it's caramelized caramelized onions and tomato and the pasta. It looks amazing, but it's hot. It's freaking hot. I'm gonna put it anyway with my hands because it's hot, and I hope you don't mind. Now, this is how you do the plating, and you just mix it like this. You can mix it while eating, but for the video purpose I'm mixing in front of the camera. So now for the tasting part. Okay, I'm very nervous because it's my first time cooking pasta. It has, the presentation of pasta was pretty nice, but let's eat it how it tastes like. Okay, it's really good, guys. The caramelized onion and tomato, oh my god. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. I could eat this every day, and it's not even unhealthy because we're making it at home. But I don't want to make pasta anymore because you saw how hard it is to make pasta at home. So this is it. Bon appetit.